What if I told you that the strength in your legs, the power to walk, to stand tall, to climb stairs confidently, could begin to return not in the gym, not through hours of painful workouts, but quietly while you sleep? Yes, while you sleep. One simple spoonful before bed. No, it's not magic. It's not hype. It's a science-backed routine designed specifically for seniors, especially those who feel like their strength is slipping away more each day. As we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle. It starts slowly, a little stiffness here, a little weakness there. But after the age of 60, it accelerates. It becomes harder to get out of a chair, to go for walks, or to carry groceries. And for most seniors, this leads to frustration, fear of falling, and even isolation. But here's something you may not know. This decline in strength is not only natural, it's also reversible. Yes, even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. The key lies in understanding when and how the body rebuilds strength. You see, muscle isn't built during activity, it's built during recovery. Specifically, during sleep. When you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds damaged muscle tissue. But for that to happen, it needs the right fuel. Without it, your body may continue to break down muscle, especially in the legs, the very foundation of your mobility and independence. Now here comes the part most people miss. During the night, your body enters deep stages of repair. If you give it a slow digesting protein or a gentle blend of muscle supporting nutrients right before bed, you extend the window of muscle nourishment by 6 to 8 hours while you're asleep. That's where the idea of just one spoon before bed becomes so powerful. That one spoon could be a scoop of a slow-release protein like casein, or even a natural homemade mix. Warm milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, and maybe a teaspoon of chia seeds. No chemicals, no pills. Just a comforting drink that fuels your body quietly through the night. As it digests slowly, your muscles, especially those in the legs, receive a steady supply of amino acids. These are the building blocks your body needs to prevent breakdown and encourage rebuilding. And why focus on the legs? Because they're everything. Your legs carry your weight, control your balance, and are your first defense against falls. Weak legs mean a loss of freedom, plain and simple. But strong legs? They give you the power to move, to stand up without help, to walk confidently, and to live on your own terms. Now imagine this. You build a habit. Just one drink, one spoon, every night before bed. You sleep peacefully, knowing your body is working for you, not against you. In just a few weeks, you notice something. Getting up feels easier. You walk a little taller. Maybe those stairs don't scare you as much. That's not a miracle. That's your body, finally getting what it needs. So how can you start? It's simple. Each night before bed, prepare a small glass of warm milk or your favorite high-protein alternative. Stir in your one spoon, either a scoop of slow-digesting protein or a calming blend like turmeric and cinnamon. Drink it slowly, then rest. Let your body take care of the rest. You don't need to run. You don't need to lift weights or go to a gym. You just need to give your body the support it's been quietly asking for. One spoon. Every night. That's it.